Hey there, sixth graders. We're going to do some more work today with rates. So I'm going to show you a pretty easy way to get around these kinds of problems. So at Fun Burger, the Burger Master can make hamburgers at a rate of 4 burgers per minute. So we read that slash there as per. In order to address the heavy volume of customers, he needs to continue at this rate for 30 minutes. So that's the rate of 4 burgers a minute. So he has to be going that fast for 30 minutes. If he continues to make hamburgers at this pace, how many hamburgers will the Burger Master make in 30 minutes? All right, check this out. So he goes 4 burgers a minute. When we're doing a rate, we can actually write that as a fraction. So burgers per minute. Burgers over minutes. Times 30 minutes. You see where I'm pulling that from? 4 burgers a minute for 30 minutes. And then we want to know how many burgers. Well, we have 2 units that we're using here. So our 2 units are burgers and minutes. But check this out. I've got a minute here in this part of the problem, and minutes are again here. And those will actually cancel each other out. So I can get rid of them. So what I'm left with is 4 burgers times 30, which, if you guys just do in your head, 4 times 3, and then add that 0, 4 burgers times 30, 120 burgers. And that's all there is to it. Let's do one more just to make sure we've got it. So Chandra is an editor at the New York Gazette. Her job is to read each article before it's printed in the newspaper. If Chandra can read 10 words a second, how many words can she read in 60 seconds? So we're going to set it up the exact same way. So we have 10 words per second for 60 seconds. So remember, it's important to label and have our units going. So the 2 units we're using for this problem, words and seconds. Those are the 2 things we're using to measure. Well, just like we saw earlier, seconds here and seconds here cancel each other out. So really now what we're left with is 10 times 60, which we know to multiply by anything by 10, you just add a 0. So 600 words. Once everyone's done with their notes, we're going to move on to some math stations. Get pumped.